Do you know what the opposite of stress is? Did you know that stress is one of the leading causes of ill health in the modern world today? Stress releases hormones into our bodies that over time are incredibly toxic to us and can contribute to a number of health issues and diseases, including the big three: heart disease, cancer, and stroke. So, do you know what the opposite of stress is? It's relaxation. That's right. It really is that simple. To be on track to better health, all you have to do is find the time for some quality relaxation. And the most effective way to achieve a deep and nourishing relaxation is through meditation. Of course, not everyone knows how to relax. I mean, really relax. I know how much of a struggle it can be to learn and then practice meditation. You may have even tried in the past and fell short of all the benefits promised. And this is why I created the Deep Relaxation Meditation Program, to help people like you who may find it difficult to unwind and calm that busy mind. And I designed it specifically for those who find it difficult to let go and just relax. After studying and practicing meditation for over 30 years, I've been able to extract the core elements and present them in such a way that anyone can easily learn this powerful mental health tool. I started with a goal to create a simple style of meditation, free from all the fluff that's so commonly associated with it, and make it as easy as possible to learn, even for those who think they can't meditate. Included in the program are 30 easy-to-follow lessons covering all the techniques, principles, and exercises that you need to learn, practice, and incorporate meditation into your regular life. I've included a number of powerful guided meditations too, that will really help you get started. All you have to do is press play, close your eyes, and listen, following the journeys of your mind to releasing all the stress you've been carrying. I also want to make sure that even though the program is online, you won't be forgotten. I send out regular emails with further tips, motivation, and ideas to help you. And I invite you to join our private Facebook group, where you can ask me or other members of our community any questions that may arise, no matter how silly you may think they are. And if you're worried or confused by something you've heard or read about meditation, download my free ebook, 16 Myths of Meditation, where I'll break down the top myths that people think about meditation and take you on a journey to the truth. To get started learning meditation now, it's as easy as clicking the sign up button and filling in the form. Within a few minutes, you'll be sent an email with your login details. From there, you're free to listen to the lessons in your own time and bring this beautiful practice of meditation and better health to your life. I'd also like to point out that I offer a 100% money-back guarantee. If for any reason you find that the program just isn't for you, send me an email and I'll refund your money completely, taking all the risk out of it for you. Sign up today and say goodbye to stress and meditate to a healthier life. I can't wait to see you on the inside.